Hey guys, here with another blaster break of Upper Deck Series 2. This one I got from Target. Let's crack this open. Alright, so 12 packs. Try to get this pack opening to an art. Very difficult. We got oh nice, a marquee rookie of Jack Eichel. I've been collecting Jack Eichel, so I'll put him in a nice case. He gets nice treatment, good treatment. Okay. Open this next pack up. This is all base. So what I'm gonna do here, just for a second, sorry, just gonna crack another one of these open just in case. You never know. You never know what you might get. Okay. I have a bunch on standby. Okay, got a rookie portrait of Mattias Janmark. This one's all base. I know we gotta be careful because the high glosses and stuff, I know they have like a gold border, but I actually missed one once. I caught it, but oh nice. Young Gun canvas of Linus Ullmark. All base. These are base. Marquee rookie of Anton Slepyshev. You know, Series 2 is kind of fun opening. You kind of never know what you're gonna get. It's a little more rookie-centric, I would say, than Series 1. But Series 1 usually holds the key rookies, such as Connor McDavid, although the canvas one's really nice of him, too. So let's see. All base. 2 packs left. I believe there's one more. Actually, there should be 2. Should be 2 Young Guns. So I gotta be careful. Here, yep. Here's the first one. It's Frank Vatrano. And then it's another Linus Ullmark for the Buffalo Sabres. So there we go. So we got the 2, and then we got the marquee Jack Eichel. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.